Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stay active on Fiverr 24/7. So people are using many applications to stay online on Fiverr. So you just have to make some settings in your mobile. So first of all, you just have to make sure that Fiverr is installed on your mobile. This is not the case that you just have to open your Fiverr in always in your mobile application. As you can see in my background, there is no Fiverr application is open. You just have to log in your Fiverr and just leave it, and then you just have to come for settings, and in settings just go for this app management and go for this app list, and in the search bar you have to search for Fiverr and tap on it, and now you just have to tap on this notification, and as you can see this toggle is turned off, so you just have to turn this toggle on, and now you are active on Fiverr on 24/7. Now whenever any update comes on Fiverr, your mobile suddenly give you notification, and then you can reply your client on Fiverr in sudden ways. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can stay active on Fiverr. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.